Every day, millions of Americans wake up, fire up an app like Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart and start grinding. They call it a freedom. But here's the truth. You don't own your business. You don't own your time. You are renting yourself out. And when the clock stops, so does your money. But what if I told you the same energy you put into the work gig could be flipped into the ownership? Ownership that pays while you're sleeping. Ownership that can't just deactivate your account overnight. So today I'm going to show you the roadmap how to stop renting your time and start building something that's yours. Gig work sells an illusion of freedom. Work when you want, be your own boss. Sounds good, right? But look at it closer. You don't set the rates. They do. You cover all the expenses, gas, maintenance, insurance. They don't. And worst of all, at the end of 50 hours a week, you made money, but built zero assets. Nothing carries over to the next week. Think about it. If you drive 10 years for Uber and you quit, what do you have to show for it? A car with 200,000 miles and no business to sell? Meanwhile, Uber built $1 billion company on your back. You see, gig work is like a hamster wheel. The faster you run, the more tired you get, and you still stay in the same cage. Let's do the math. You work 50 hours driving rideshare. You gross $1,000. Sounds solid. But subtract $200 in gas, $100 in maintenance and depreciation, $50 in taxes withheld, your net is maybe $650. That's at $13 an hour. No benefit, no retirement, no growth. Compare that to building something that scales. When you own, you're not limited to hours. You can hire, you can automate, you can step away and still get paid. That's the dividing line between working for money and having money work for you. So what is ownership? Ownership is having a system, an asset, or a process that generates revenue without your constant presence. Let me give you the example. A rideshare driver can eventually buy a second car, hire another driver, and now they're making money while home. Food delivery worker can partner directly with local restaurants, cutting out DoorDash and create their own carrier services. A freelancer designing logos can turn into an agency, outsourcing work to other designers and keeping it hot. What's the difference? One path keeps you on the wheel forever, the other path builds a machine that can outlast you. Step 1. Use gig work as a seed capital. Don't blow every dollar. Save a fixed amount weekly, even if it's just $100. That's your launch fund. Step 2. Pick a niche. Ask yourself, what am I already good at? What's the demand in my city? Transport, local services, digital freelancing? Just pick one lane. Step 3. Buy or build an asset. Could be a used van, a lawnmower, a website, or a software license. Something that produces income, not drains it. Step 4. Build direct relationships. This is huge. Don't rely on the app forever. Get repeat customers. Get referrals. That's an ownership. Customers that are loyal to you, not to that platform. And step 5. Scale smart. Once you have stability, reinvest. Hire help. Add tools. Expand slowly but surely. Ownership compounds. Let me tell you about Maria. She started as an Uber driver, but instead of burning all her cash, she saved $3,000 every time. She bought a used Toyota Sienna. Then she started her own private airport shuttle service. At first, it was just her. Then she hired a cousin to drive for her on the weekends. 2 years later, she owns 3 vans, has a contract with 2 local hotels, and employs 4 drivers. Maria doesn't work for Uber anymore. Uber can deactivate account, but they can't deactivate ownership. The biggest difference isn't money. It's a mindset. Gig workers think in hours. Owners think in systems. Every time you ask, how much will I make per hour? You are still renting your time. Every time you ask, how can I build a system that makes money without me? You are thinking like an owner. Remember this. Time is the most expensive rent you will ever pay. Because once it's gone, you can't get it back. So here's a challenge to you. Next time you log into an Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart app, pause. Ask yourself, am I building my dream or theirs? You can still use gig work, but use it as a tool. It is a tool. It can be a launch pad, but it cannot be destination. Start saving, start planning, start building something that is your own. Because this is America, and ownership is still the ticket for freedom. And this is Red, White, and Revenue. Don't rent your life, own it. Smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.